These 7 AI jobs didn't exist 1 year ago. Number 7 pays $200,000. What if I told you that the most valuable career skills right now didn't even exist 12 months ago? Right now, as we speak, companies are desperately hiring for roles that sound like they're from a sci-fi movie. Prompt engineer, AI solographer, machine learning psychologist, and one of them has a starting salary that can hit over $200,000. We've been told a story about AI, a story of job loss, automation, and fear. But that's only half the picture. Welcome to Give AI. Today, we're exposing the other half. The 7 brand new high-paying jobs that AI just invented. This isn't speculation. These jobs are live on LinkedIn right now. And we're counting them down. Stick around until the end, because the number 1 job on this list will fundamentally change how you think about your career, your potential, and your future. If you're new here, welcome to Give AI. Our mission is to move past the hype and the headlines to show you the real, tangible impact of artificial intelligence on your life. And right now, the biggest impact is happening in the job market. But while everyone is fixated on the jobs AI is taking, which is a very real concern, they're completely missing the seismic shift happening on the other side of the equation. AI isn't just a tool, it's a foundational technology. And like the internet did in the 90s, it's creating entirely new industries, new business models, and crucially, new categories of jobs that most people don't even know to search for. This isn't a distant trend for 2030. This is happening. Companies from Silicon Valley startups to Fortune 500 giants are hiring for these roles as we speak, and they are struggling to find people. The early adopters, the people who understand this shift first, will have a monumental advantage. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on this hidden job market. We're going to count down 7 of the most fascinating new AI jobs, what they actually do, what they pay, and perhaps most importantly, how you can start building the skills to get them. By the end of this, you won't just see AI as a threat, you'll see it as a map to a new future. But before we get to the list, you have to understand the why are these jobs appearing out of thin air. It's not magic, it's economics and technology colliding. Let's look at the clues. Have you noticed how AI tools like ChatGPT and Midjourney are incredibly powerful, but using them effectively for a specific business outcome is a skill in itself? It's the difference between someone who can use Google and someone who can craft a perfect SEO strategy. This gap between the raw, generalized technology and its practical, profitable application is a multi-billion-dollar problem for companies. And that problem is the birthplace of entirely new careers. It's not enough to have the tool. You need interpreters, architects, and engineers for this new digital material. This isn't random or isolated. Look at the biggest tech firms. They're not just hiring more AI researchers. They're posting jobs for roles like AI compliance manager and machine learning operations engineer. These aren't slight evolutions of old jobs, they are entirely new functions. Companies are creating whole new departments dedicated to responsible AI, AI infrastructure, and AI product management. They are building the organizational skeleton for a future that is already here. Think of AI not as an app, but as a new layer of the global economy, like electricity or the internet. This new layer needs a whole new workforce to build and maintain it. It needs architects to design its systems, ethicists to set its moral compass, mechanics to keep it running, and translators to make its output useful for humans. This isn't about replacing old jobs, it's about building the infrastructure for a new world, and that requires new skills. Here's the most fascinating part. While the news headlines scream about job losses, corporate HR departments are quietly scrambling. Hiring managers are posting jobs and getting 0 qualified applicants. Why? Because the talent pool for these roles is practically 0. There are no university degrees for most of these jobs. There's no 10-year career path. The people who will get these jobs are the curious, the agile, the self-starters who are learning these skills right now, today. So, the pivotal question is, what are these roles, and how can you position yourself to be one of those first applicants? This isn't just a list of cool, futuristic job titles. This is about your financial future, your career security, and your relevance in the next decade. Let's get real about what this means for you. Let's talk about the incredible opportunity. For the first time in recent history, you can get in on the ground floor of an entire new field. The barriers to entry are not decades of experience or a specific pedigree. The barriers are knowledge, creativity, and the initiative to learn. This is a chance to define your own role, to become a highly valued expert in a domain that you can help create. The earning potential for these pioneering roles is staggering because the demand so wildly outstrips the supply. But, and this is a big but, this window of opportunity won't be open forever. These roles are new and poorly defined now, but they will quickly become standardized. Certifications will emerge, degree programs will be created, and the market will become more competitive. The people who act now, who start learning and building a portfolio today, will be the leaders, the high earners, the ones writing the rule books. Those who wait, those who see this as a future problem, will be playing a brutal game of catch-up. This is about more than a job, it's about agency, it's about deciding to be a shaper of this change rather than a victim of it. The time to understand this new landscape is not next year, it's right now. Okay, let's get to it. After deep diving into job boards, industry reports, and hiring trends, here are the 7 new AI jobs you need to know about. We're starting with number 7 and working our way to the one that pays $200K. Number 7. AI output. Editor. The human in the loop. This person refines, fact-checks, edits and polishes AI-generated content, from marketing copy to legal documents, ensuring it's on-brand, accurate and human-sounding. Salary, $85,000. Number 6. AI integration. Specialist. The tech translator. They don't build the AI models, but they are experts at customizing and implementing off-the-shelf AI tools into a company's existing workflow. They make AI work in the real world. Salary, $95,000. Number 5. Synthetic data engineer, the data illusionist. They create artificial, privacy-safe data to train AI models in situations where real data is too sensitive, scarce, or biased, crucial for healthcare and finance AI. Salary, $110,000. Number 4. AI ethics and compliance manager, the conscience of the algorithm. They ensure AI systems are fair, unbiased, transparent, and compliant with rapidly evolving government regulations. Salary, $130,000. Number 3. Prompt engineer, the AI whisperer. This is less about coding and more about linguistics and psychology. They architect the perfect instructions to get reliable, high-quality outputs from generative AI models. Salary, $150,000 and above. Number 2. Machine learning operations, MLOps. Engineer, the DevOps expert for AI. They manage the crucial infrastructure that deploys, monitors, and maintains AI models in production, ensuring they run smoothly and efficiently. $170,000. And the number 1 job, the one that sounds like it's straight out of a movie and can pay $200,000 or more. Number 1. AI simulation. Director. This person designs and manages hyper-realistic virtual worlds used to train and test AI systems. We're talking about simulating millions of miles of driving for self-driving cars, or countless hours of operation for logistics robots, all in a risk-free digital environment. It's a wild blend of AI expertise, game design, and physics. Salary, $200,000 or more. This isn't a fantasy. Every single one of these jobs is live right now on LinkedIn, Indeed, and company career pages. The future of work isn't coming, it's already here, and it's hiring. Now this is where the conversation starts, and I genuinely want to hear from you. Let me know in the comments. Which of these jobs fascinates you the most? What's the most surprising or weirdest AI job you've ever seen? If this video opened your eyes to a new possible path, or even just gave you a dose of hope about the future, do me a huge favor. Like this video. It tells YouTube that this is important, valuable content, so it shows it to more people who need to see it. Share it with a friend, a family member, or a colleague who's worried about their job or thinking about their next career move. Give them this new perspective. And if you want to stay ahead of the curve and turn this knowledge into action, subscribe to Give AI and hit that notification bell, because next week we're going from theory to practice. We're breaking down exactly how to build the skills for one of these jobs, like prompt engineering or AI integration, from scratch, with free resources and a step-by-step plan. You won't want to miss it. Thanks for watching. Remember, in times of great change, the greatest opportunity goes to those who pay attention first. Your future is what you make it. Go out and build it.